It's not a treat.
You're a crazy boy. I got Brussels sprouts too. Yes, you're my sweet.
Where's Sophie in her cage? Where's my baby boy? That's my baby boy. You a good boy? You love us guys and Sophia? Was she giving kisses? Oliver says, Daddy, Daddy. You are? Good. What are you doing? Are you sleeping, baby? Are you sleeping? Stretch. What are you talking to? You're a good boy. You love your father? What are you doing? What are you doing? You being a good boy? You talking to your box? Hi, baby boy. Where's Mama Sophia? Sophia's sleeping. She is. You're such a baby boy. You're so cute. Are you a cute boy? Are you a cute boy? Mama's big boy. What are you doing? You're my silly boy.